I was extremely excited when I saw these pictures on the MLS. I am familiar with this home. It's not far from where I live at, and I know it's been a foreclosure home 2 times. This home deserves a good family who loves it and takes care of it. So when I saw these pictures, I was like, finally, this house will get the love it deserves. Unfortunately, when I stepped inside, it was a completely different story. I have been noticing people stopping by and looking at the house, but it's still on the market. And I was like, what's going on inside? So I had to find out for myself. Let's take a look inside. So this home was built in 1986, and it is just under 3,000 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. They converted the garage into what looks like a sunroom. You will see that later on in the video. I'll point that out. So to me, this house has 2 sunrooms. To compensate for taking away the garage, they did add a workshop and a garage metal structure. So that's helpful. At least there's something. So this house sits on 0.69 acres, so just under 3/4 of an acre. But the remarks in the MLS just really made me laugh. Let me read them. Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Crowley. Nestled on nearly an acre of picturesque land, this exceptional property offers the perfect blend of space, comfort, and versatility. With 3 bedrooms plus a bonus room and 2 full baths, the thoughtfully designed layout is both spacious and inviting, reflecting the care and meticulous upkeep of its previous owners. Step inside to discover a generously sized rooms filled with natural light and brand appliances that add a touch of modern convenience. Outside, you'll find multiple storage buildings and a handy tool shed and a sprawling metal workshop complete with electrical wiring and workbenches. Perfect for all your projects and passions. Unwind in the cozy sunroom or host gatherings on the covered patio overlooking a lush backyard oasis that's ready for memories to be made. So based on those listing notes and the pictures, I could see why it's had a lot of showings. I thought this closet was really interesting. It's very long and deep, but I was like, that's cool. So it's a split floor plan, which is nice. I like that a lot. So the primary suite is on the opposite side than the other 2 bedrooms. This is the bathroom. And yes, I know you're supposed to take pictures with the toilet seat down, but the toilet seat was not attached, so I couldn't put it down. And then the shower head is also missing on this meticulously cared for property. So this is one of the bedrooms. It's a nice size. This house definitely has potential, but it is not how the MLS portrayed it to be, or how I should say the listing agent presented it on the MLS. It definitely has potential, but it's overpriced for in this condition. Here's the sunroom. What I really liked about the sunroom is there's these wood blinds all the way around, and it's air conditioned. That's mandatory in Texas to have a sunroom and an air conditioned one at that. So this is the lush backyard oasis. I think it's lush because all of the vegetation is overgrown. It needs a good landscape job. The roof looked like it was in good condition, so that's nice. And then you have 2 ceiling fans on the back patio, which is really nice. So here's the other sunroom, or I'm calling it a sunroom. I really don't know what it is. It's the converted garage. And then that's where the laundry room is too. So I couldn't get inside the converted garage because the door was locked and I didn't have a key for it. So I just had to kind of take some video from the window. But yeah, I mean, I would call that a sunroom. What do you guys call it? So here's the metal buildings that they built to compensate for taking over the garage. So that one right there is the garage. But first we're gonna go look at the workshop. So there's 2 roll-up doors, which is really nice. Electrical. Plenty of workbenches and workspace. And then that's for the irrigation system. Here's the garage. It's about a 2-car garage. I did not check if the garage door works. So there's no guarantee there. I should have checked, but I didn't. Follow me for more market updates, investment insights, home tours, and more. I look forward to connecting with you.